In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a deal from the Pipedrive mobile app in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll be able to capture a new opportunity on the go without missing any key details. First, open the Pipedrive app on your phone and head to the Deals section using the bottom navigation bar. You'll see the tab labeled Deals alongside other tabs like Activities or Contacts depending on your setup. If you manage multiple pipelines or workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before adding anything new. This helps keep your data organized and visible to the right teammates. It's also a good idea to ensure you're connected to the internet so your changes sync right away. Next, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your shortcut to creating a new deal from anywhere in the app. If you don't see the icon, double-check that you're on the Deals tab. Tapping the plus opens the deal creation form, where you can add all the essential information in one place. Now enter the details of the deal and tap Save. There you go. To make this smooth and useful, start with a clear deal title, like Client, Project or Product Region, so it's easy to find later. Set the pipeline and stage to place the deal exactly where it belongs in your process. Add the deal value and choose the correct currency to keep your forecasting accurate. If your team uses expected close dates or probabilities, fill those in to improve your reports and predictions. Link the deal to an existing contact person or organization so your communication and history stay connected. This keeps everything in one thread and avoids duplicate records. If you see an owner field, confirm it shows the right person responsible for the deal. Finally, use the notes field to capture quick context, what the opportunity is about, where it came from, or any commitments you've already made. Short, specific notes will save you time later. When you're ready, tap Save. You'll be taken back to your deals list, where your new deal should appear immediately in the stage you selected. If you don't see it right away, refresh the screen or ensure the correct filters are applied. That's all. You've just added a deal from the Pipedrive mobile app in a fast, reliable way. Keep this flow handy, and the next time an opportunity comes up during a call or meeting, you'll be able to capture it in seconds. Accurate, organized, and ready for your next move.